Okay, got everything situated here. Let me get everybody tagged. That should do it. Cool. Alright. Got this one wrapped up. Everybody paid. All the teams are picked. We are good. I figured some family events would get in the way today a little bit. So I kind of laid off until later in the day. Or even the night, really. Let's see. Boss, Steve Barnhouse. How's everybody doing? And the clerk is in it. I'm just tagging everybody quick. Travis Wyndham's in it. We got... Yeah, it's looking like hockey's probably going to be tomorrow. There's too much filler left to get it done by the time this is done. Not a big deal. We'll have it. That'll give us something to look forward to tomorrow night for sure. And then I'll throw up another baseball one tomorrow. Maybe we'll get rid of Chrome. What else? Shannon, Bruce Chrome, Shannon, Levi, Jason, Steve Hanna's in it. We got John Montgomery's in it. I think that's it. Okay, we got... Alright. Where did that go? There it goes. Cool. Everybody is tagged to it. Team-wise in this one. Looks like the Braves D-backs is going to Jason Arolato. Orioles Red Sox John Ketteris. Cubs is Vince DeCintio. White Sox Scott Anders. Reds Vince DeCintio. Indians and Rockies Travis Godsey. Tigers Scott Boss. Astros Steve Barnhouse. Royals Travis Godsey. Angels Scott Anders. Dodgers Dan DeClerc. Brewers Travis Wyndham. Twins Scott Anders. Mets Sean Hearn. Yankees Marlins is Bruce Evans. Athletics is Corey Carell. Phillies Shannon Graver. Padres Pirates Levi gets them. Seattle Mariners Jason Arolato. Cardinals Steve Hanna. Rays Travis Wyndham. Rangers Travis Godsey. Blue Jays John Montgomery. And Nationals Giants is John Ketteris. Got them in the filler. That's how it played out for this one. And there's our case from the other day. We'll grab the next three. And that takes us down to a half case left. So I got 4 of these coming. Alright. 3 of them. These are pretty cool. I like this product. There you go. No worries. Are you at work tonight? I figured you're probably at work. Alright, first glove. There's the second glove, and we are good to go. I got sleeves and top loaders in the right variety. Alright, cool. Okay, all set. First box, here we go. Good luck. Let's see what we can pull out of here tonight. Maybe we'll get the case hit. Case hit is still in play. It's either an auto jumbo relic or it's a framed autograph. Framed autographs are pretty cool. I like them. And it looks like I'll be going up to the distributor tomorrow to grab some stuff. Hopefully I come back and try and get some Bowman for you. And maybe even some select baseball. It'll be one or the other probably. We'll start getting that going. Hopefully he has it now. And what else? Yeah, I'll be getting some more hockey stuff. So this break is gonna wrap up what I have as far as Upper Deck Ice. So I'll need to get some other stuff besides the cup. And I got all the packages lined up here, ready to go. So a lot of packaging will go out tomorrow as well. If not everything I have. Yeah, it should be everything I have. I've got quite a bit set up, so we're good. Alright. Oh, I got you. Well, you need to have that too. Gotta keep the missus happy. Alright. First pack, first box. Whit Merrifield. Kansas City's our first card. And then we'll go with Paul Goldschmidt of St. Louis. And Francisco Lindor of the Indians. 3 base cards. And our first hit is going to go to Frank Thomas. Superstar Showpieces. 23 out of 25 on-card autograph. Nice. There you go, Chicago. Scott Anders. There you go. That's a nice start. 23 out of 25. And that's on card. Nice start. There you go. Frank Thomas. That is. Good start there. Awesome. And we have Michael Kopech, rookie card for the Sox right behind him. Bronze. Cool. What else we got? There's a thicker card. We've got Pete Alonso, rookie card. Oh, there you go. I think that's the first one I've seen of him in this product. Definitely going to sleeve that bad boy. And that is that's the smaller one. Hold on. This is the kind I need. 59 point. So you got a Pete Alonso rookie card right there. And you've got Cabrera and Gwynn, Detroit, San Diego. And our next hit is bronze, Jesse Winker, Cincinnati Reds, meaningful material, 27 out of 35. That's going to Vince DeCintio. Getting the Reds hit, number to 25, bronze. That's pretty cool. It's got some of the stitching. And that one is 138. So number to 35 there. Big Hurt getting a nice auto. Robinson Cano of the Mets, bronze. Alright, looks like another thicker one. We have Aaron Nola of the Phillies. We've got a rookie card of Urias. I'll sleeve him. I'll put him in a top loader later. There you go for the San Diego Padres. And who's this guy? We've got canvas collection of Honus Wagner for the Pirates. That's going to Levi. Getting the Honus Wagner canvas collection. And our next hit is going to Philadelphia Phillies. Gene Segura. Signature swatches, 16 out of 299. Dual relic autograph. There you go, Shannon Graver. Picking one up for the Phillies. And that's a 138 as well. Perfect. So the Phillies are on the board. And then we have a Kyle Tucker blue Rookie card, 34 out of 150 for the Astros. That's Steve Barnhouse. Yeah, we're getting some different players that I'm used to seeing. Kyle Tucker, numbered card, rookie. And final pack of just the first box. We have looks like hockey might have just filled. Corey Kluber, Indians. Gary Sanchez, Yankees. Hey, if it fills, I'll do it. Trevor Bauer, Indians. And then our next hit is going to go to Boston Red Sox. Quad, Mookie Betts, number 24 out of 25, gold. Look at that bad boy. That's John Keteris. It's like a bat, 2 jerseys, and maybe another jersey with a pinstripe in it. That's a sweet looking card. Another low numbered. Alright. Nice. And that's a gold parallel. Mookie Betts. Yeah, this is a nice few. This is a nice couple of boxes. First box is great. Archer, Pittsburgh, bronze. All right, that's just the first box. What else are we gonna hit? We even got an Alonso rookie. Even just like the rookie cards are decent. Empty. And okay. So freshman. Second one. What do you guys think of Bowman so far? Anybody get into Bowman yet, or is it too? Do you think I should even do it? Give me some feedback on that. I will do it. I know it's crazy expensive, and I'll split it up if I have to. I'm probably gonna split it up. Maybe I'll do like a quarter case and say you could do it ×2, ×3, or ×4 if you want the team for the whole case or something like that. Probably the best way to go about it. I'm seeing different ways to do the Yankees. Like 3 or 4 different ways. So I know they're going to have to be crazy priced. Alright. Or would you rather me just do select and do a case of that? Well, let me know. Everyone was 24 bucks a spot, huh? Yeah, I've been looking at them a lot lately, and I'm like, geez, oh man. I mean, the return's great if you pull something, but if you don't, it's like, oh no. Alright, we've got Ryan Sandberg, Chicago Cubs. We got Stanton from the Yankees and Chapman from the A's. And then our hit is going to go to Miguel Cabrera, numbered to 25, bronze. Signature swatches, triple relic for Detroit. There you go. Scott Boss getting a nice Cabrera autograph. Numbered to 25. That's a sweet looking card. 24 a spot for what? Here we go. There you go. Alright. Jeter, blue. 11 out of 150. For the Yankees. That's going to go to Bruce Evans. There you go. Blue 150. One of the second mini pack. And Cal Ripken for the Orioles, Rizzo for the Cubs, Kikuchi for the Mariners rookie card. And then we have Eric Hosmer, San Diego Padres, quad, bronze, 24 out of 75. That's a sweet looking card. It's like a bat in the middle there, and the rest of them look like brown jerseys. It's a cool looking color mixture with the bronze on the card. And that's going to Levi Lauer. Picking up a Padres hit there. Cool. And then Scherzer bronze for the Nats. Oh, there's another thick card coming. What are we going to get? JD Martinez, Red Sox. Ken Griffey Jr., Mariners. And Bryce Harper, Phillies. And then our hit is a red Rick Porcello, Red Sox. It's got a part of the, maybe the B in that. That's pretty cool looking. Number to 10. 6 out of 10 red. Red Sox hit. There you go, John. Meaningful material red parallel number to 10. Getting some low numbered hits in this. And that does look like it's a part of the B in the stitching there. I could be off a little bit, but it looks like it is. It's a nice looking card. And Manny Machado blue, 63 out of 150 for the Padres again. Padres picking a couple up in this one. They were pretty light in the last one, if I remember. Oh, what am I doing? Wrong one. This is a 159. Or 59. There you go. Perfect. And the last pack of the second box, we have Justin Verlander, Astros, Walker Buehler, Dodgers, and Babe Ruth canvas collection. Honus Wagner, now Babe Ruth, Yankees. That's cool. There you go. And then we have a Touki Toussaint archival autograph rookie card, 252 out of 299 for the Braves. Jason picking one up. There you go. You got a Toussaint autograph on card. Archival autograph. Number to 299. Wow, getting some decent ones out of this tonight. Mariano Rivera bronze for the Yankees. And all cards ship, so whatever I'm pulling and putting over to the right there, everybody's going to get them. And what do we got here? What time is it? Midnight. I'm just... Okay. Third box. I still have a half case of this stuff, so we can keep it coming. We'll probably just keep doing it the same way. I'll keep ordering stuff in, just to give you different stuff. Not looking at the same thing every day. But this stuff is pretty cool to mix in there. I'll tell you, imagine doing this as a case break. That would be cool. Be quite a bit of hits. And a final box to tear open. There are the 4. Okay. Last box. Box number 3. What are we going to pull here? We have Ted Williams, Boston. Buster Posey, San Francisco. And Pujols, Angels. Followed by an autograph for the Mets, Brandon Nimmo. 129 out of 299, archival autograph. That's going to Sean Hearn. Got a Nimmo auto. What else here? There you go. Yeah, I kind of would. Actually, You're right. I'm debating. It wouldn't be that bad. There's an Ohtani blue for the Angels. 128 out of 150. That's 150. That's a 59. Yeah, I do have a half case left. That would be a fun break. And then we've got... we got a thicker card in this one. We got Severino, New York. Baez for Chicago Cubs. And we've got Alex Bregman, Houston. And our hit is Xander Bogaerts, Red Sox. Red Sox getting some hits, John. 16 out of 99 quad. Looks like all jerseys, red and white. There you go. Hitting decently on the Red Sox tonight. Xander Bogaerts, number to 99. And then a bronze Bregman. We have here. We got Chris Sale. Eloy Jimenez rookie card. I'll sleeve that. And then Clayton Kershaw canvas collection for the Dodgers. That's cool. Sleeve both these quick. Put them there. I'll top load them then. And these canvas collections are cool. And then our hit is Jose Barrios of the Minnesota Twins. Signature swatches. That's a cool looking autograph. Dual relic, 143 out of 299. So the Twins grab one. Who had the Twins? That would be Scott Anders. Got him in a filler. And we finally got one there. Twins have been pretty light as of late. It's nice to see a hit come in for that. Nice. And Jacob deGrom, Mets. Numbered card. Looks like a red version. 19 out of 50. So the Mets pick another one up. That's Sean Hearn. And our last pack. I know I'm not a Red Sox fan. I'm a Yankees fan. I'm so bored. I'm playing Xbox. RBI baseball. Frank Thomas. Sandy Koufax. Andrew McCutchen, Phillies. And then our last hit is going to go to, wow, look at this. Dual meaningful material for the Braves. Freddie Freeman and Dansby Swanson. 7 out of 50. That's going to Jason. So Braves pick up another one. Got a Toussaint autograph and now a dual meaningful material. And our last card is a Javier Baez Cubs bronze. Cool. I do like that idea. We might do the last bit as a half case. We'll see. It'd be fun. Now imagine having all that to open again. That'd be fun. Alright, so we got Freeman and Swanson. Braves, meaningful material dual. DeGrom, red, 19 out of 50 for the Mets. We've got a signature swatch, Jose Barrios. Dual relic autograph. We got a quad relic, Xander Bogaerts, number to 99 for the Red Sox. Ohtani blue, 128 out of 150 for the Angels. Got a Nemo autograph, archival for the Mets. We've got a Toussaint rookie card auto, number to 299 for the Braves. Got Manny Machado, number to 150 blue for the Padres. We've got a red, number to 10. Nick Porcello, meaningful materials for the Red Sox. Eric Hosmer, San Diego quad, number to 75 bronze. We got a blue Derek Jeter, number to 150. We have a signature swatches, Miguel Cabrera, number to 25, bronze, triple relic for the Tigers. We've got a quad, Mookie Betts, number to 25, that's gold, parallel. Kyle Tucker. Nick Tucker's in the group. 34 out of 150. It's like a blue rookie card. We got signature swatches, Gene Segura, dual relic autograph for the Phillies. We got a meaningful material bronze, number to 35, Jesse Winker for the Reds. We've got a Pete Alonso rookie card. And we started off with a Superstar Showpieces on-card autograph, number to 25 of Frank Thomas for the White Sox. Beautiful on-card auto. That's a nice card. Big hurt. And we had a couple other inserts that I'll sleeve then, our top load. We got a Clayton Kershaw canvas collection for the Dodgers. Eloy Jimenez rookie card for the White Sox. Babe Ruth canvas for the Yankees. Honus Wagner for the Pittsburgh Pirates canvas. And a Luis Urias rookie card that I sleeved up. Cool. Nice little break. 3-boxer. Got some good hits in that one. Yeah, I think I might do the last one as a half. We'll see. I'm thinking about it. Maybe we'll put that. You'll see Bowman Chrome probably next. I want to wrap that case up. I'm expecting something big out of the last 3 boxes in that, because the first 9 I'm not impressed with. So there's got to be something good in the last 3. And then that'll be done. And then this half case, and I'm looking to get some Bowman and Select coming up here. I'll be up there tomorrow, so we'll see what I can get. I appreciate it. Thank you again. Let's see, it's 12:10. Maybe I can get this hockey one done yet. Looks like it filled. Yeah, you might see me on yet tonight. Thank you again. Look for this stuff to be shipped out pretty quick. I have everything set up to go. And, yeah, thank you again. Have a great night. Have a good week. Be safe.